Hi, this is another in my series of how to do things fast. This is a countertop that I'm going to recover. And one of the problems is getting the old laminate off. A lot of times the laminate near the edges seems, at least in my experience, seems to come off pretty easily. But the stuff in the center, of which there's a fair amount of it, doesn't. So, so what I have done is I'm going to use a heat gun. I have an old 1,000-year-old heat gun. Doesn't have to be really anything real fancy. It is a 1,500 watt unit, and you can get hair dryers that are 1,500 watts. But the nice thing about this is that this thing gets hot enough it'll burn your hair off. So you don't probably want to use it as a hair dryer. So anyway, so here's how to do it. I'm using the putty knife and the heat gun, and I'm going to heat the laminate and the blade, and then once things get rolling, I'll just really heat the blade. And you can see now that it is starting to get under the laminate. And now I'm just heating the blade to keep the blade above the melting temperature of the adhesive. And here we go. And you can see it's coming up pretty easily. Normally, if you do this stuff at room temperature, a lot of times the laminate will crack, and that's what has happened in this case. I was trying, I was beating on it with a putty knife and a hammer, and first off, at my age, which is looking 65 in the mirror, my wrists don't tolerate that real well. So, but you can see it's coming off really easily. And there you go. Now I want to tackle the part farther down. So I hope this is beneficial to you, and I'll subscribe and keep looking, and I'm going to do some more videos on how to do things fast. Thanks.